Now I'm going to show you how to make an English muffin. First, we're going to go through the ingredients. We need 2 1/4 cup of flour, a pinch of sugar, half tablespoon of yeast, dry yeast, half an egg, 1 tablespoon melted butter or margarine, half a cup of milk, 1/8 of a cup of warm water. The milk should be warm too. Later on, we're going to use cornmeal and flour to spread on the place where we're going to work with the dough, a rolling pin, a plastic bag, and a baking sheet. And of course, a bowl to mix everything together.